See it, we got a baby back ribs and I cut it in half. I'm doing a test today, y'all. Y'all let me know, man. Which one y'all prefer? Wet jerk, I got 2 wet jerks right here. Or do you prefer the dry jerk seasoning? We're gonna put a test together right here on the rolling grill. I got 2 halves, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, boy. All right, as I said before, we're gonna do a little experiment. Dry jerk seasoning versus wet jerk seasoning. And I think I'm gonna go with the Walkerwood today. I like the Walkerwood better than this one. Although, as you can see, it's pretty much empty. All right, so let's go with the dry one first. I'm gonna use the big portion right here for the dry one, and I'm putting it on heavy. This jerk seasoning does not have a lot of salt in it, so I'm not worried about it being too salty. I am gonna salt it, put some salt on it after I let it marinate. I'm gonna let this marinate in the refrigerator for I'm gonna go about 4 hours first. All right, on the back, and as you can see, I'm going pretty heavy with it. It smells good. This dry one is proven. This dry one is proven. I love this dry one. I get it from a farmer's market around here, and the folks that make it do a very good job with making it. It's legit. All right, so I'm gonna let that sit. That's my dry one. Now, here's my wet one. Walkerwood. Everybody know Walkerwood is proven too. But let me go get a spoon. All right, Walkerwood. That's what you're looking like right there with the Walkerwood. They say a little go a long way. I always like to overdo it though. To me, now this Walkerwood smells good. I'm gonna get it in there real good, all over, all over. All right, backside too. They say a little bit goes a long way, but I use a lot. I use a lot. All right. Okay. So there we have it. Let me separate them a little bit. See if y'all can see that. One wet with the Walkerwood, one dry with the dry jerk season I get from the farmer's market. Let's see which one I think comes out better. I'm gonna let these sit for 4 hours. We'll be right back. All right, it's been a total of 4 hours. These are our wet ribs, again, used with Walkerwood jerk. This is the mild one. And then the one in the back has our Jamaican jerk seasoning from a local farmer's market. Really good stuff. So this is what we're gonna do now. It's been total four hours that they've been marinating. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit them with some salt and pepper. I'm gonna salt them because the jerk to me doesn't really ever have enough salt in it to me. So I'm gonna hit it with some salt. Spray it down with some olive oil cooking spray. All right. Other side, hit it with some salt. And on the dry one, I'm gonna hit it with some salt on the other side as well. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna actually hit it with a little bit more pepper also. All right, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of pepper also. And we're ready. I'm not putting these on the grill. I'm not gonna put these on the grill. This ain't got nothing to do with grilling today. Although, you know, traditional jerk, you would have pimento wood. I'm not doing all that. We're gonna stick these bad boys in the oven. I'm gonna run high heat. I'm gonna run about 355 degrees on these pork ribs and try to knock them out in about an hour and a half. So these are baby back ribs again. And then this one is the wet Walkerwood. And then this one is the dry. So y'all stay tuned. Let's see how they come out. All right, let's do the 30 minutes in color test. See which one looking better. Okay. Ain't looking too bad. Okay, it's only 30 minutes. I'm gonna check them every 30 minutes. They smell real good though, so we'll see in a minute. All right, this is 1 hour in. Color still looking pretty good on both of them. So we're gonna let them keep on rocking and rolling. No, I'm not. I was gonna flip them over, but I'm not. I'm just gonna let them keep on rocking and rolling. This is hour number 1. All right, let's check them out. I did 360 degrees for 2 hours, and then I cut it down to 295 for 30 minutes. This is the dry rub rib. Looks good. This is the Walkerwood jerk marinade rib, and I did flip them over. I did flip them over once. So that's how you can see a little bit of the charring on there. But I would say we're ready to go. Let's do a little. Oh yeah, we ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna let these rest in here for about 10 more minutes, and then we're gonna taste. We're gonna see who got it going on. All right, guys, out of the oven into the cutting board. Jerk seasoning, Walkerwood jerk marinade. About to take the taste test. All right, let's get into it. I think I'm gonna go with the tried and true Walkerwood jerk rib first, and this is the seasoning. Let's go with the Walkerwood first. Let me turn that bad boy over. Cut me a piece of that. All right. Let me try it. Let me let y'all see me try it. All right. Walkerwood jerk right here. It's good. With only 4 hours of marinade, it's not deep to the bone, but it's definitely, you can definitely tell if you left it overnight, would have been full of flavor. So that's the Walkerwood jerk. And as you can see, I'm still eating it. Let's move on to the next one. All right, now let's try the dry seasoning rib. All right, it's the dry seasoning rib. All right, let me pick the camera up. Okay, dry seasoning rib. Let's try it. Woo. Oh boy. Oh yeah, man. Let me tell you something. This one right here is damn good. To me, if you don't feel like marinating and you just want to go straight to cooking, the dry rub seasoning, especially this one. If you're in Atlanta, go to Buford Highway Farmers Market. I don't know what them ladies putting in it, but it's good. And you could definitely taste the pimento, and it's like it's very savory and very good. And it's got a little sweetness to it as well. Very good. So I'm gonna have to say that if I'm in a rush and I just want to get that jerk in there and get it cooking, if I'm on the pit or whether I'm putting it in the oven, I'm going with the dry rub seasoning. But if I want to let it sit overnight, both of them probably be good overnight. But I know for a fact overnight this one is tried and true. You know, but I've got to know a few people that use them together. You know, this for the marinade because it's not that salty. And then seasoning with this. So, I don't know, y'all tell me. Y'all tell me, what do y'all like to do? Do you like the jerk marinade or do you like the dry jerk seasoning? So, let me know. And if you got a good recipe, put it in the comments because I want to try it out on my channel. So, again, I want to thank y'all for joining me here at the Rolling Grill. As always, good food, good vibes, and good jerk. Yeah, boy.